back to another video. So I've got a bit of, it's huge actually, A&A glitter haul, but this is all from mail from Just Your Nail Addict. So Just Your Nail Addict, this past couple of months, she's been getting a monthly subscription box from A&A Glitter, and she sent me loads and a couple of other bits. So I'm just going to quickly fly through what she sent me. I will leave, Joe's got a discount code for A&A Glitter. I will leave that in my description box as well with the link, because yeah, A&A Glitter doesn't get the love over in our corner of YouTube, so I thought I'd show you because they're stunning. Right, let's get on with it. So I really wanted to do a strawberry smoothie kind of set of nails. I have got thousands, let me tell you, thousands of Fimo. Let me show you. So this is just the Fimo I've got in pots. I've got everything. 2 full pots of fruit, flowers, cards, Mickeys, bears, everything. And I've got a lot more Fimos. I've got Christmas ones, Halloween ones, a lot, right? Didn't have the Fimo I needed out of all them. I have only got, I needed strawberry slices, and all my strawberries are, you can't see them on there, all my strawberries are full strawberries, and I needed slices like these, can you see? I wanted strawberry slices. Mine was whole strawberries, not a slice, so I asked Jo if she had any, and she did, but she couldn't just pick out the strawberries, she sent me the whole bag. Look at these, how cool are they? Blue ones, I love them. So we've got a bag of Fimo. Also, I don't know if you remember a while back, I got a pack of these, a pack of 10, with green shells, and Jo bought a pack of 10 in the pink ones, and we swapped. So Jo sent me over the pink ones. How cute are these? They're just little clusters to go on the top of nails. They're adorable. I like this green one. It's got a green tinge in the gem, and that's got like a AB. Aren't they cute? I love them. So yeah, Jo sent me over the pink ones. Right, should we get onto these glitters? First, I will show you. These are reflective glitters. So you know, like the reflective gel polish that's been really popular this past year. These are just loose glitters. Like, yeah, ultra reflective. Let me show you. I'm going to have to turn my lights down to show you. Right, that's better. You can see. Look at them, guys. Oh my gosh. Imagine just walking down the street at night and car headlights shines on you. Look at that pink and blue. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. They're stunning, aren't they? Absolutely stunning. I'd love these in rainbow colours. Could you imagine? Yellow, orange, red, green, purple, blue. Rainbow colours, primary colours. They'd be cool. Oh, wow. They are something else. Look at that silver. They are something else, aren't they? Oh, wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love them. Thank you, Jo. I absolutely love them. Right, so let's get into these glitters. Oh my god, I love them. I love every single one of these. So this is Space Jam, and it's all like medium, small and fine hex. And I can see this has got tiny, tiny micro mylar mixed in with it as well. Love it. Then we've got Tropical Moon. Again, very similar hex mix, different colours. I love them colours together. Love these kind of glitters. I think this is one of my favourites, you know. I love it. Dreamland Shady. It's like it's matte orange, like a matte bright corally colour, purple, and it's got a silver. No, it's got an iridescent in with it as well. Really cool, isn't it? Then we've got Sky Dancer, beautiful pastel colours, and again that's got micro mylar mixed in with it. If you've not checked out A&A Glitters, head over and have a nosy, because she's got some really, really nice glitters. And she's her prices are reasonable as well. This is a nice little pastel one as well. But this one's not matte. This one's iridescent. Yeah, some of them, like that one's the hex in it on matte. These ones are iridescent. They're absolutely beautiful little mixes, aren't they? Then we've got Raven Loons. I love that. I love that. Cool. Aren't they bright, vibrant summer mixes? I love them. Right, then we have got Tooth Fairy. Again. It's pink purple with yellow in it. I like it. Then we've got Cuppy Cakes. This is nice. It's a matte purple, and then it's got a transparent pink, like a jelly pink. And then it's got silver hex in it as well. Yeah, the pink in it is transparent. That's different, isn't it? I like it. And I like this. This is called Retro Sweets. And it's a pale, pale iridescent pink. But it's got transparent jelly dots. Orange jelly dots. Isn't that cool? I really like that. I'm getting fruit salad vibes from that. Then we've got Coral Glow. Wonder if that glows in the dark. No, it doesn't glow in the dark. But it's very pretty. So that is like, it's got a matte in there and iridescent. I really like that. And then we've got Monsoon Season. So that's like, I think that's a mixture of everything together, isn't it? I love that. I just love bold colours, I do. Bright, bold colours. So I think that's why I'm enjoying all these mixes. They're all bright and bold, aren't they? I like them. Right, and then the last two is Princess Peach Special Mix. So this is pink and, yeah, peachy colour. Very pretty, isn't it? I like it. And lastly, we've got Jelly Beans. This is so cute. I love the metallic blue. It's got like a greeny blue metallic in there. Beautiful. Yeah, I like that. That's a very shiny one, that is, with the metallic blue. And lastly, quickly, that is it for the glitters. But Jo also printed me off some decals because she's a superstar. So I don't know if you know, me and Jo have been making our own decals. But I've got an inkjet printer. Jo's got a laser printer, so much better than mine. Anything, mine prints good decals, but anything with small detail or writing, mine doesn't pick it up very good. So Jo's printed a few images off for me. I've already used one. I don't know if any of you remember, I used this, the bigger version, on my pop art set I did recently. So she sent me these over. Look at these. These say, shut the F up. I love them. We've got bum cheeks. And then we've got some pride ones. And look, Beatles and camper vans. I love these. So these could go like across 2 or 3 nails. And she's done them all in small, medium and large. Pride. We've got pop arty stuff. Look at these camper vans with the drippy drips. Yeah, I love them. Thank you so much. I really need to get myself a laser printer because, yeah, the detail is just so much better. Anyway, guys, yeah, just a quick one. Like I said, I will leave A&A links below and any discount codes from Jo. I'll leave them below as well. But yeah, that's it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I feel like I'm missing something. Anyway, hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.